project of two iron brothers under China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. The project provides immediate connectivity of Gwadar port with the network of national highways of the country. This is a 19-kilometer long, 6-lane dual-carriage expressway with railway track for logistic transportation to and from the port. The expressway is custom-bounded fenced highway with one underpass, one concrete bridge, 2 pedestrian bridges, and 51 culverts. The design is based on international standards with Chinese specifications for expressways. The expressway also connects port terminals with Gwadar Port Free Zone, which will be one of the major free zones in the region, spreading over a 9.23 square kilometer area. The railway track joins the Gwadar railway yard and in medium to long-term plan with the new Gwadar to Sakhar railway line. East Bay Expressway will ensure faster trade through linkage between Gwadar Port and Kashgar via the western, central and eastern routes of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor.